Well, Facebook not quite delivering on all the excitement many investors were expecting today.
As the Dow finishes up its worst week of the year, we've got somebody who says Facebook is actually more important to the markets than Greece right now. Robert Maltby with Singular Research joins us now. Robert, that's a pretty dramatic statement. I mean, we've seen Greece week after week gyrate the markets, and the headlines globally have tentacles to reach out and color these markets red. But why is Facebook more important than Greece?
Well, Liz, it changes the conversation from one of debt and depression to one of growth and wealth, and more to come behind that. And that's really key to the market psychology. That said, I have to tell you, I was smiling a lot more earlier today when the stock was at 45. I really think that Facebook and Wall Street particularly missed an opportunity today to really improve the psychology. Here's why. The insiders made the money today. It didn't have to be that way. They could have priced this thing to make the new investors at the IPO richer, to make them feel better.
What price would that have been?
That would be much better for the market psychology. And, you know, the other thing, you know, this is 3 billion shares, 2.5 billion shares. It could have been better for Facebook today long term, because there are very few examples of stocks that work, that are priced at $100 billion market cap, trading 100 times earnings. But Facebook could have done better today with its subscribers. They have 900 million. That's a lot. But they could have given some of those subscribers participation in the offering and priced it better.
What would have, Robert, been the appropriate price to achieve what you just talked about?
Well, where they started, 25, 28. Okay. They should have let this thing work and let everybody make a good 20, 30% pop, even if it's Granny in Georgia making 100 shares, making $600. My gosh, the goodwill that creates for the market and for Facebook users far exceeds the little chunk of change Bono made today, or Zuckerberg, or the VCs. So well, disappointing, you know, in that aspect.
Let's roll it out. Robert, let's just roll it out a little further, because we're running short on time. When do you think it reaches a more natural price, a price that really reflects its value long term?
25, 20. This thing may be the best short out there on the market right now. Everyone knows the underwriter.
You're saying it is a short right now.
Everyone knows I think it very well could be. And, you know, if I was an individual investor right now and we don't have a position in Facebook, I would look at what's most hated out there. The banks. They're trading at 7 times earnings, discounts to book value, instead of what is absolutely loved. When we're speaking of a stock that's going to work, not about investor psychology, but about a stock that's going to work, David.
Very interesting stuff. Robert Maltby, thank you very much, Robert. Appreciate it.
Thanks a lot. Let's get to Robert Gray. He's got break.